My name is Stephanie Morgan. I am a family nurse practitioner, and I also am the director of our wellness clinics, which are two primary care clinics that operate outside of the School of Nursing here in the community in Travis County to support people in the community who are uninsured or underinsured. The exposure of nursing and just caring for others and wanting to help other people drew me to nursing, and I love nursing. I love every stage of my career, my education, the good and the bad, the challenges. Nursing is a very hard role, and it's something that we need more nurses. And it's something that I do inside of my life. When I'm working, I'm a nurse, but when I'm not working, I'm still a nurse. It doesn't stop. Those feelings don't stop. The pursuit of helping others just doesn't stop. So our curriculum at the DNP program is to prepare nurses to be leaders in practice. In the DNP program, they participate in research, but their training is more in practice, where, like to say, the rubber meets the road. How do you lead in clinical settings? How to really move practice forward, not just at the bedside, but in leadership roles, formal leadership roles, running organizations, and inside of systems. I specifically teach 4 classes in this program. I only do 1 a semester, and I teach all year round. One of the classes is healthcare leadership, leadership in organizations and systems, and the other one is healthcare economics, and the third one is clinical informatics, and the fourth one is healthcare policy. Even though we stand in front of the room and are considered the expert as we're bringing people through a program or a class, we ourselves are grappling with the same challenges in healthcare that we are investigating, uncovering, and learning with them. And it reinforces the opportunity for us to be better, do better, learn more, to just make things overall in the community of healthcare better. So it's a two-way street. A lot of the students that come to our program, this is a deliberate decision for them to come. People are coming to learn and to grow, and they're a serious student, and that's what makes it fun for me. This university has a long reputation for, of course, what starts here changes the world. We all believe that as Longhorns, and so I would say that speaks to the success of the program and why it would be attractive for someone to be in our DNP program here at UT Austin.